Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another fitness snack with Ali. No matter what part of the day you're at now, you can take the opportunity of 2 minutes and join this fitness snack with me. So, if you're ready, I'll break down the move. While you're listening to me, I want you to give yourself gentle hand massage, wrist mobilizations. Meanwhile, I'm gonna break down the move for you. I want to use three base positions of animal flow as a part of our today's fitness snacks. So we will transition from one base position to other one and find in between and to other one. Let me break down facing this side. So first I'm going to find my deepest squat position, which is 8. If you cannot go very low, just find where you can go as much as possible. And from here, I want you to place your hands behind you, facing other side, opening the space between your ears and shoulders. Don't let your head sink to your body. Open up, squeeze your shoulder blades, and raise your gaze to the rising sun. Not directly there, not too much up, somewhere in between. And then from, let's go back to ape and place hands forward, hands directly in line with shoulder and knees slightly ahead of your hip, in line with your belly button. And coming up here. That's it. That's very simple. We are going to change one base position to other one. We are starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Say ape. Walk back hands. Raise your gaze to the right and squeeze your shoulder blades. Push yourself. Find your ape. Go walk to beast. And come back up. And walk again. Nice. 34, 31, almost 30 seconds left. Pushing to ape. Finding my beast position. In beast, just think like a plank. Engage your core, engage your full body. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Very well done. So we are going to another set now if you're ready. Maybe if you feel you want to speed up, that's the right time to do this. So starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Opening up, pushing back, going to beast. Come back. Third second left, let's go. Wherever you feel like you cannot go on, just stand up, shake, and continue. We are going in last 20, or you can stay in ape also for rest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. I hope you enjoyed today's fitness snack. You can take this fitness snack with you wherever you want. If you like this exercise, please share with your friends and family so they can benefit from these little snacks. That's it for today. I hope to see you on the next one.